Hey, what's up, YouTube? Houston here. And for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my faithful patrons, double salute. Now, today's video, we're actually going to be talking about business lines of credit for bad credit and companies that can get you funded within 3 business days. Okay, less than 3 business days actually, but there's a strategy you have to follow. Now, the first thing that I would definitely tell you, if I'm going to be going after funding, especially business lines of credit, the companies that I'm talking about, they're not going to be your traditional lenders like the banks. These are third-party companies, so some of these companies are going to charge higher interest rate. But the good thing about it is no hard pull on your personal credit, okay? There's all soft pulling on your personal credit, or they're going to be looking at your business credit profile. So if they're going to be looking at your business credit profile, there's some things that you need to understand. First, adding the right trade lines for your business credit profile. Okay, so then you have the company Shirtsy that reports to Equifax, Credit Safe, Small Business Financial Exchange, and Sonya, and North American Credit Management, right? And here's the criteria. You have to be in the United States. You have to be in business at least 90 days. No negatives on your business credit file, and must have an EIN tax ID number, okay? Some of these companies, they may want you to do like a $69, $79, or $99 membership or whatever. Also, with some of these companies where it used to be the one and done, where you buy one time from them and then they'll report, well, now these here companies, they want you to buy at least two or three times from them. So just keep that in mind. All right. But there's another way to help you build up your business credit as well, other than these net 30s. But I just want you all to have these on deck as well. So you don't need a whole lot of net 30s at that. Now, there's Summa Office Supplies, which reports to Experian, Equifax, and they offer credit to both new and well-established business, and they will give you a written trade reference upon request. So if you need proof of that trade reference, they'll actually give it to you. Now, Quill is one of those that report to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian, but they're very important. Now, in terms of they may have a delayed in reporting, however, Quill has a mechanism in it that definitely can help you bootstrap your business to help fund your business even more. So that's the reason that it's here, because you're able to get more money out of Quill. All right. And for those of you that may know that, put a comment below. Let me know if you actually understand how to do that. Now, you also have Wise Business Plan. Some people may say, well, Houston, I don't need a business plan. Yeah, you may not need a business plan. However, Wise Business Plan, they offer other products and they report to Equifax, Experian, and Dun and Bradstreet as well. And then NAV. NAV reports to Experian, Equifax, Dun and Bradstreet. You have to either have the Business Boost or the Business Loan Builder product. I'll put a link down below for the NAV so you can actually check them out, because they also give you your Experian personal credit file as well. Now, here's the banks that help you build up your business credit. That's the reason that I'm telling you all it's a strategy. So you have American Express. American Express has business bank accounts now. In terms of personal accounts, they don't, but they offer personal savings account. So understanding how to build a relationship with them, especially if you're trying to get funding and everything, you definitely want to open up a business bank account. One of the things to build a relationship with American Express, I said, open up the savings account, the business bank account, add authorized users. If you have questions about adding authorized users on your personal credit file, check out HoustonMcMiller.net at three-way funding. Now, in reference to Chase reports to Experian, Small Business Financial Exchange, Dun and Bradstreet, and Equifax. So what that means that to get a Chase Inc. business card, the basic one, all you need is a 666. Now they do, if you're trying to get a business credit card, they do a hard pull. All right. The good thing about American Express is that once you're into their database, they don't do any more hard pulls. Now Capital One Bank, they report to Dun and Bradstreet, Experian, Small Business Financial Exchange. Citi reports to Experian, Small Business Financial Exchange, Dun and Bradstreet, and Equifax. And Bank of America and Wells Fargo, they report to Small Business Financial Exchange. Now, how do you build up your business credit with them? Again, I continue to tell you guys, you want to make sure that you're making weekly deposits. And there's another thing about, I know some people want the Navy Federal Business Credit Card. And so I made a video for that. So if you want to see that video about the Navy Federal Business Credit Card, just say, hey, Houston, can I see the Navy Federal Business Credit Card? I'll send you over the link for that. But nonetheless, Navy Federal is just the thing about it. They don't report. So, but at the same time, these here are the ones that you want to help build up your business credit the fastest. Now, I made a video talking about Capital One Tap. Now, with Capital One Tap, a lot of people are jumping in the water with them because they're definitely giving it out, right? And they're giving up to $50,000. I made a video on it. So if you want to see that video on Capital One Tap, how to get money from them, they're really giving it up. And the thing about it, if you got bank statements, and they're doing a soft pull on the Experian file, FICO 9. But if you got bank statements and you got a proof of ID, hey, that may be an opportunity. Now, they have two cards. They have this here basic business card, and then they have a premium business card. And on the premium business card, really isn't that different from the basic one, except for they want you to have a 670 credit score, personal credit score. But on the regular business credit card, they're actually looking at the performance of the business. All right. Now, here's the first company. It's called Funded. All right. And what they do a soft pull. They look at the time in business, which is about 6 months or longer. Their average annual monthly revenue is about $8,000. And the minimum credit score, there isn't a minimum credit score. Okay, so they're not focused on the credit score. They're mainly probably going to be looking at your bank statements and your business credit history. Now you have SnapCap. SnapCap, they want you to be in business at least 1 year. Okay, revenue is about $8,000 a month. And again, I just gave you all a hint about building up the business credit through the weekly deposits. Hint, hint, if you know how to handle that, hey, handle your business. But I'm giving you the game, so suck it up. All right. Now, in understanding that, with a SnapCap, $8,000 a month, minimum credit score, none. The loans go from $5,000 to $1 million. Funbox. Now, Funbox is an interesting one, and they eye or whatever, but hey, some people don't like them. But Funbox, they give you loans from $1,000 to $150,000. Time in business is 6 months. $8,500 minimum credit score. Is because of that minimum credit score of 600 still isn't bad, right? Now you have Seek Business Capital. Now this is an interesting one because with Seek Business Capital, they want you to be in. There's no time in business, no monthly revenue. They're basically looking at your credit score. So if you have at least a 680 credit score, have personal income, then they can help you in their loans go anywhere from $10,000 to $150,000. Now you have Super Money. Super Money is a platform. Now with Super Money platform, they want you to be in business for at least a year or longer, $5,000 a month, which is cool. And the minimum credit score on that is 600. The loan amounts go from 1,000 up to 5 million. All right. So they have a little more flexibility. And for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please subscribe. If you have any questions about building up your business credit or trying to figure out how to boost up your personal credit even higher to be able to get more business credit funding, then check out HoustonMcMiller.net 3-way funding by clicking the link below.